JJ's.
Palapakan natin ang batch 1985.
1 million.
Okay, who will talk in behalf of batch 1985?
Come on, Lyra. Please, come here. She's one of our brainiest classmates. Come on.
Batch 85 would like to present this check. Huge check. The amount of 20,000 pesos as our contribution to St. Anthony Nova School.
Okay, Miss Jimenez would like to sing something.
To accept the big check.
Well, I'm really surprised. Salamat na naman, Batch 85, sa tulong nyo. And to Mr. Dick de la Peña, who's always in touch with me. Alam ko, maraming alumni, maraming batches na sumusuporta sa eskwela. Salamat, salamat.
We're going to turn over to you the check which we will make the score.
Thank you! Natatakot ako baka hindi tanggapin ang bangko to ha? Ano pa rin ito ha? Okay, at salamat!
Ayan, so hindi naman natin pinipressure na magbigay din kayo.
Yes, yung mga sobrang
Plastic
ipet
checks.
ulit. Pwede pa umabot.
Hindi pa huli ang lahat para kayo.
Thank you, Batch 1985. Sobrang
Batch
napaka-generous.
1985.
Wala pa kayong mga kamay again.
Palakpakan natin ang Batch 1985.
Yay! 1 million na tayo. 20,000.
20,000 din yan.
You are the stars of San
Okay, so before we close,